Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am just going to briefly explain the essential question example. Okay, this is a document that is found um, at the bottom of Monday's resources. Uh, and the essential question for today is, in what ways, if any, did the death of Tecumseh and the War of 1812 change the United States? All right, an example answer. This would be your topic sentence. Tecumseh's death and the War of 1812 did or didn't change the United States. All right. You have to think about that and think about the following questions as you write your response. You can use this as your topic sentence, but then you have to back it up, like we've talked about, with details. Okay. The first thing I would talk about is who was Tecumseh? Why was he important? Okay, you have to know that if you're going to answer this question. I would say that Tecumseh was a very important person in the War of 1812. Okay, so his death was definitely a big thing. Okay, what did the War of 1812 accomplish? Or in another way to say it, what did the War of 1812 do? Okay, did anything come out of that war? Okay, did anything change? And then finally, what was the United States like after the War of 1812? All right, we were a very young country or nation at this time. So the fact that we made it through a war and were able to retain or keep our country and keep our rights, I think that was kind of maybe one of the bigger things to come out of this war. Okay, we were still a country. We still had all of our rights, and I think it instilled some pride. All right, for the future of our nation. So, answer the essential question. All right, in what way, if any, did the death of Tecumseh and the War of 1812 change the United States? And then think about and answer these questions. All right, and then conclude your paragraph with something like a concluding sentence. In conclusion, Tecumseh's death and the War of 1812 did or didn't change the United States. I hope that this was helpful. Have a wonderful day.